guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's finally here. Today I'm bringing you my Easter home tour. I am so excited to show you what I've done with everything. A lot of the things that you will be seeing are DIYs that I have made myself. I love to decorate my house with things that I've made, okay? But first, before we get started, I need to make an announcement. As most of you know, last Friday I did the drawing through Rafflecopter for the Hobby Lobby gift card, okay? And I reached out to the winner through the email she provided when she entered the giveaway through Rafflecopter, okay? And I've emailed her twice and I haven't heard anything. So I'm going to say her name just in case something's happened and she's missed hearing that she won. Okay, her name is Kathy Hamilton, okay? You need to reach out to me by April the 15th by 10 a.m. Central Time, or you will unfortunately forfeit the gift card that you won, and I will have Rafflecopter draw another name. Okay, and this time the winner will be announced through a community post. And then I will leave in the community post the email that you need to email me your address so that I can send you the gift card. I can't wait to give it away. I'm dying. All right, so Kathy, I hope that you hear this and I hope that you respond. I'd love to give you the gift card. If not, like I said, it will be forfeited and another winner will be drawn. Okay, so let's get started. Let me flip the camera around and I'd like to welcome you to my 2019 Easter home tour. Okay, we'll start right here in the kitchen where I do all my filming. This is one of my little DIYs I made, probably last year out of paint stir sticks. And this is the true meaning of Easter to me and my family. So I wanted to put this there and I made that and I love it. I think it is so pretty, okay? And I just recycle through the year and put different items in that box, but I think this is so, so pretty, okay? And then up here on my cabinets, I just have Dollar Tree little clings. And I love them. I think they're so festive and pretty. All right, then it's always a challenge for me to film this part of my house because of the sun that comes in. We did have a really bad storm today, so I don't know, but it's still kind of hard to film it. Okay, here's a little bunny, a little boy bunny. And then these are my little DIYs that I made, the Tuscan French Country little herb pots, and I painted the pots and put that in there. And then naturally I have to have my little girl bunny, so that's what that looks like. I'm sorry for the poor lighting. And then many of you will remember when I hauled the peppers from Hobby Lobby, so I've hung them there and I just love the feel that it gives my kitchen. Okay, and then if you'll look right here, I have my lettuce and artichokes in my basket that I made. I think it complements the herbs very nicely. I love it. And then right above that, I have some more little window clings. I just love them, okay? And then down here, I just have two Dollar Tree items with Easter. And to tell you the truth, I don't remember where I got the Easter. And then here in the corner, I have my round plate that I DIY'd. And then I just have a little bowl with some greenery from Hobby Lobby and two other items that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And those are just picks that I stuck in there, but yet it looks like it's almost like some sort of garland, okay? And I'll step back and let you see, but I think that is beautiful. And then here's just our Keurig, okay? Then if you swing around here, here's my refrigerator. As many of you know, I always decorate my refrigerator. I think it looks so cute. So these are just some more of those little window clings from the Dollar Tree. They're really, they're not really, I don't know, they're metallic. but they stick on. I think they are for windows. And then up here's the little boy. I always have to have a boy and a girl. And then up here I have 2 Dollar Tree gift bags that I painted Dollar Tree frames and stuck those in. I think they are so springy and happy looking, okay? And then if we swing around here, I'll just show you. I still have the same tea towels that I had before that says spring has sprung. I got those at Big Lots. And a lot of you ask about my mat, where I bought those, and those came from Home Depot several years ago, but I love that Tuscan look. Then over top of my oven, I just have a Happy Easter that I hang. I always try to hang something back there. I think it looks so festive. And then this is one of my little DIYs, my bunny with his little carrots. And then that I picked up at home several months ago. And then many of you remember seeing me haul that. I didn't pay hardly anything for that at Old Time Pottery, okay? All right, and then we'll just swing around here. And this is another one of my DIYs. And my husband was after a bee and sucked the bottom wording off. I think it's hilarious. And I still haven't found anything to match it. This is one of my favorite DIYs that I have made out of paint stir sticks. I love it. It is so pretty. Okay? And then we'll just go ahead and swirl around here. And this is my sofa table here. And this is how I've styled it, okay? I just got some, this greenery is one piece that you buy at Walmart. It was either $3 or $5. And I just put it around my lamp. And there is my book that I DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. And then that came from at home. And then I just have my little hen sitting in some sisal or raffia in a wreath, and I think it looks really pretty. And then I DIY'd this probably 2 years ago, and then I DIY'd these balls. I just think they're so pretty. I decoupaged them and put napkins on them, but I love that. And then I did the same thing on this end with another one of those Walmart greeneries, and I love how it looks. It just looks so pretty, okay? Now, I really didn't do a lot with my house for Easter, and I never typically do, and then that's just a sign that I have God shed his grace on thee, okay? And then this is one that I DIY'd. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, and the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And that's just a board, and I painted it, and I put a Dollar Tree cling on that, and I just love how that turned out. Okay, here's my drink station, and I kept it really simple. I love these muffins that I got from Amazon, like I showed you all, and they smell as good as they look. Okay, and then I have the cross. Be still and know that I am God. That is my favorite saying. And then here is my lemon tree that I DIY'd. I love that. And then I just have some really cute little Easter napkins. And then down here, I just love that I did that little DIY this year with the bunny. I just think it's so cute, and all the eggs inside. And then I DIY'd this. That is a plastic like serving container. And then I painted it and put a Dollar Tree cling on that, and I just love it. And then that is a DIY that I made. It is so easy to make, but it is so pretty. I love it. And I just have hello and a bunny from Target's Dollar Spot. But I really love how that all turned out. And then here is my table. Let me start right up here. This, I always just put this. I got this at Big Lots, and it's just garland, and I stick little roses around it. And then here's my bunny that I DIY'd. I just love how that centerpiece turned out, and I painted the box. My husband made it, and I painted it, and then I did the flower arrangement. I think it's beautiful. And then I love these little place settings that I got. These came from Hobby Lobby on sale. And this was from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was on sale, and as well as this and that. And these are just Dollar Tree glasses that I put I hauled these not long ago. They're just cupcake stands, but I thought it would be so pretty to put glasses on there and just add a pop. I think it really pops. It looks so pretty. But that is how that looks. And then the only other thing, and it's really not for Easter, but I just picked up these hen. There's a rooster, and then over here is a hen. And I got those at Hood's in Foley, and they had such a good, they were like $24, and they're metal. I love them. I wanted to put it behind my stove, but they were too large. Okay, and then this is one of my DIYs. I love it. I just took a boot that you just put your boots in when they're wet, and coat hangers, and did that. And then up here is another favorite DIY of mine. Welcome and gather that sign. I love it. I stenciled it and painted it. Then if you come in here, I just kept this really simple. I just have a little bunny sitting here, and then right up here is my DIY that I made, the basket, tobacco basket with the greenery. It's just so dark in here today. But there that is. Now this is new, and I'm so excited. When we were at Hood's, I picked these up. Now I love them. And then we just went ahead, and my husband put our little candle holder sconces right onto that. And I've been looking for something to complete my swan picture, and I think that totally completes it. I love those. And then right over here is my wreath that I made last spring, and it's just Dollar Tree and Walmart. It's Dollar Tree succulents and then greenery from Walmart. I just love how that turned out. So we'll pan around here real slow. And then up here is another one of my DIYs I made. I love it. Okay, and we're almost finished. And then you can see, this is the last thing that I did. I just took this table that my husband made me, and I painted. And let's start at the top. I just put those little bird houses from Target's Dollar Spot, and I added little birds on the perches from Hobby Lobby. They came 2 in a pack. I think that's so cute. And I made these candle holders. And then I just put a little bird nest down there. And that's the little bunny that my mom bought me. She's so pretty. And this is another one of my DIYs. And then down here, these are all my DIYs. That's from Walmart Greenery last year, and I just painted a Dollar Tree container. And then that is just a napkin that I put on a piece of wood. And then that is my container that had my, it's just a plastic container that contained our protein powder that we put in our smoothies every morning. And I love how that turned out. You would never know. So that is how I styled that. And then, as you all know, that's my gallery wall. And I painted those picture frames. And then here is my wreath, and it is so hard to see because the way the light comes in is just really hard to see. But there that is. I have it hanging there. And I just love that. So let me back and kind of give you a feel for that. But I love how that looks. And then up above, although it's crooked, is another sign that I made. I painted and stenciled grateful on there, and I love that. So let's just flip back around. I'll give you one more look as we go in through here. It would be hard for me to pick which room's my favorite. I think it might be my dining room. I always really love how that turns out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.